Good morning. I am on Wanderlust, which is our MacGregor in 1991, and we're going to do a couple things today. We're going to be working on the sail today, doing two things. The first is installing the Slugs I bought from Sailrite, because right now we raise on a bolt rope, and that is not fun. It jams up. Poor Jenn is up there as we're trying to raise the sails and struggling with it every time. It is a pain. And the other thing we're going to do while we're doing that is we're going to cut the bolt rope free. Our sail is old and the bolt rope appears to have shrunk quite a bit, and it means we can't get our sail all the way up. So the next project today is to install our sails, mainsail slugs. What are slugs? If you don't know, this sail is being raised and lowered on the bolt rope. As you can see, the bolt rope fits into this groove, runs up and down the track, and that's how we keep it on. So that's a traditional way of doing it. I've never had a boat with slugs. I've sailed on one before, so I see the benefit, and we're putting them on. Should be a pretty simple install. So I went to Sailrite and got some 1/2-inch round nylon slugs. These weren't that much for a 5-pack. I mean, I'm talking just a few dollars. And this part here, there we go, is going to replace the bolt rope in the groove. And then this is going to attach to a little shackle, which will then attach to the sail. So how does this work? When you put these two together, this is going to go in the mast, in the groove. This is going to clip onto the bolt rope, and I have to make sure it actually fits. Oh, it's going to be a tight fit. And then I'll put a screw in here that'll actually go through the sail and hold it in place. We'll put a screw in right here. It will go through the sail, lock into this side, and then we'll feed it up through the top. I'll do a few and show how it's coming along. Let's load them up. Slugs are installed.
Here we go. Ready?
Take it up.